2019 Dodge Ram 1500 with the e-torque 3.6 liter Panstar motor, 3.6 liter full-size truck. All right, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got the factory converter up there, got factory converter up there. Then it does this huge loop for it to become equal size, which is a crazy setup. Look at that. They did a lot of bending to get that done, as you guys can see. Then it wires into a single there, then 3-inch pipe. And we put on it the Borla Atak, as you guys can see, offset center, part number 400820. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 3-inch pipe out the back. And then we also took the resonator off of it, right there, and installed a double angle cut tip. There'll be a link in the description for it also. As you guys can see, it came out really nice. Again, part number is 400820. There'll be a link in the description for it. That's how we wanted it out the back. Came out clean. There's the resonator and tailpipe that was on it, and that's the muffler that was on it. We took them both off so we can give this truck some sound. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe. You like or you don't like? Yes, I don't know yet. Wow, 116. 112. What are you gonna like? So we can fix it. He's like, I need V8. But it works, right? It's not raspy. What do you guys think in the comments? Let me know. I like it. That's idle. It's so quiet at idle too. You hear that? So when you're stuck in traffic or something, it's not that crazy loud. But when you step on it, it becomes loud. Hey boss, can I get you to park here straight inside? That's not a bad sounding truck. For being a V6 too, that's not bad at all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Let you hear on the inside. That's not bad. For being a V6, that's crazy. Sounds good. What do you guys think? Let me know.